is a fun and active yoga instructor who is preparing to tie the knot with her fiance, Jake. Her friends are hosting a big bridal shower on her behalf, and so she wants to get a little dressed up and try something different in terms of style. So we already went shopping for the perfect party dress, and now we're on to everything to do with hair.
My hair is definitely an area that could use some work. I usually just throw it up in a bun or in a slick back ponytail.
When it comes to hair, no one does it better than my friend Kaylee. The girl has amassed millions of views on YouTube for her amazing hair tutorials, and she is the perfect person to bring in to help me with Sarah's signature look. What better way to introduce you to the new world of hairstyles than bring in my beautiful friend, Kaylee from Kaylee and Melissa on YouTube.
I'm so excited. I feel so spoiled.
So Sarah, what do you want to see in your hair for the big bridal shower?
As you can tell, it's pretty fine.
It is, yeah.
And because it's all one color, it never really has any dimension in it. Since I'm going for such like a boho look, I really love the way braids look.
Well, I do too. Braids are one of my favorite things in the whole world. So I was thinking I would show you a really easy one that just about anybody can do. We're actually gonna do a half up, half down do, because I was hearing that Sarah likes to keep her hair up a lot, and I think we need to try something different. All right, so we're gonna start out by giving you a nice wave. I'm gonna curl the bottom half first and the top half second. Now this is actually gonna be a really great, quick way to curl your hair because nobody really wants to spend 20 minutes curling their hair. So we're actually gonna take this whole bottom section of hair and we're gonna put that right on the iron. And then you basically just hold it on the iron until it feels warm. And then I like to catch it in my hand and hold it for a couple seconds because the curl actually forms when the hair cools, not when it gets hot. Oh. So you want to give it the chance to cool in the shape you want it in. And now we're gonna do the same thing again, but I'm gonna actually break it into a couple more sections just to get some more curl. Another fun tip that you could use for this, just to make it look a little bit different, is vary the size that you're taking. By taking bigger and smaller sections, you get tighter and looser curls. So it creates a different effect, you know, without a lot of extra work.
To be honest, I would probably do that without even trying because I would probably just be...
And that is kind of the whole thing with being boho. It's like you accidentally ended up being fabulous.
I cannot believe the curls in this hairstyle. Kaylee made them look amazing, and I can't believe that she literally only put 10 curls in my hair.
And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my fingers to break up these curls. It's loosening up to a really nice, pretty wave right now. It makes it look more lived in, it makes it look more natural, and it's just more romantic. The next thing I'm gonna do is give you some very gentle teasing just underneath your roots. And I'm actually using a hairbrush to do this. It gives a very like almost lightweight, airy feel to the hair. Oh, I don't even want to pin your hair up, it looks good. So now we've talked about how you love the braids, so we're gonna work on adding some braids into this. And we're just going to basically pull some from your front hairline to the back and pin them in place. And one thing I'm actually gonna do with this one is I'm gonna pull on each individual little link in the braid. And this, it's actually called pancaking the braid. It's a little bit more work, but you'll end up seeing that the result is amazing. And now down here, you got some little flyaways, which I'm gonna embrace because we're going for vintage boho rustic glamour. So flyaways are okay in that world. So I'm just gonna sweep this first braid back. And then I'm just gonna put in the bobby pin bumpy side down. So now all we have to do is pin this last braid in place. And I'm actually gonna take the end and then just tuck it underneath our previous braid. And then you're going to pin it in the back right over where we pinned the one before. Then you can go ahead and take your elastics out. The braids aren't gonna unravel, just the ends are, which I think looks even better. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. What do I even do with you with that makeup? Like, and that is your final look.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see it.
I'm excited for you to see it.
You look amazing. Do you want to see?
Yes, really badly. Oh my God. My hair has never looked like this, that is for sure. I can't wait to show this to everybody. They are not gonna believe it.
But it's just that extra touch of glamour for these events.
Kaylee, you're a pro. We need to take a selfie for this moment.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's document the death of the bun.
Ready? Smiling. A big thank you to Kaylee. She is so incredibly talented, and Sarah looks amazing. Stay tuned for the next episode where I show Sarah some picture-perfect makeup tips for all the big events in her life. And be sure to watch the entire series because we still have cute DIY gifts, the bridal shower, and a huge surprise for Sarah.